What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another Halloween themed cocktail. And today's Halloween cocktail, guys, is the JEKYL and Gin Cocktail. As I will show you guys how to make this glow in the dark cocktail. It's really nice and it's silly. And it's going to be another one under the black line. I can't wait to show you guys how this one turns out. So this is a JEKYL and Gin. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is get your cocktail shaker and add 45 ice cubes. First thing I'm going to the shaker, guys, is 90ml or 3 ounces of gin. Just to clarify, I'm using a London dry gin. Next, 15ml or half an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Last ingredient now, add a tablespoon of Grenadine, which is about 5ml or 0.2 ounce. Now put your lid on, and now give it a good hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. Now get your glass and put in the ice cubes. Now strain into your glass. What you want to do now, guys, is now top up with your tonic water. So if not, guys, it's a Halloween take on the Gin Rickey, this. So what we're going to do now, guys, is turn off all the lights and shine it under the black light. So as you can see, guys, it does light up in the dark, and it's the tonic water that does this. Absolutely incredible light. From the very light red colour that you could see before, it's now lighting up in the dark. It's incredible, isn't it, what tonic water does to a drink? Absolutely incredible. And there we go, guys. That is the JEKYL and Gin cocktail. Doesn't it look fabulous? Absolutely fantastic. We'll add a straw. So that's my take on a glow in the stick. If you had a glow in the stick, that'd be the nice, perfect to garnish. Doesn't it just look beautiful? So what I'll do now, I'll give it a taste test in the darkness. Beautiful. A nice sour taste of the gin, absolutely beautiful. Especially with the tonic as well. I just love gin and tonic together. And a little bit of that citrus juice with the lemon juice and a little bit of sweetness with grenadine. Absolutely beautiful. A nice sour drink. So now what we'll do, we'll turn the lights back on. There we go, guys, one fantastic Halloween cocktail, the JEKYL and Gin cocktail. Beautiful. So if you want to impress your guests, turn off the lights and have a black light if you do have one. You can get them cheap enough on Amazon like that. as impressive as it is, it just lights up. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a nice little trick. And it's just a nice little side effect in it, a glow-in-the-dark drink, and it's just fantastic. And it's the tonic water that does it, that makes it light up in the dark, otherwise it wouldn't. It didn't have the tonic water, it wouldn't light up. So I know you got to ask me that question, why does it light up with tonic water? I don't know, but I'll get back to you with the next video on why it does light up with tonic water in the dark. But I'd probably rate that a solid 8 out of 10. If you don't like it, then use lemonade, as I know it's not for everyone tonic water, but use lemonade. I don't know if it glows in the dark with lemonade. That's something I'd have to put to the test, see if it does the same thing. I doubt it, but I might be wrong on that, I don't know. Well, that is a nice sour taste. That's a nice sour tasting cocktail, beautiful. Nice gin cocktail to celebrate Halloween with, and does it get any better than that? Nice glow in the dark cocktails? I don't think so. But that, guys, has been the JEKYL and Gin Cocktail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixing for more Halloween themed cocktails, as I will see you guys next week for my next Halloween themed cocktail, and I will see you guys then. Cheers.